Princess Solara is born with flames in her hands. The kingdom fears her, believing fire only brings destruction. Even her father, the king, warns, power unchecked leads to ruin. One day, an invading army arrives. The king prepares for war, but Solara knows fighting with fire means endless destruction. She refuses to burn her enemies. Instead, she climbs a mountain and ignites a massive flame in the sky, signaling a warning. The enemy, thinking the kingdom wields unstoppable fire magic, retreats without a battle. The people realize fire isn't just for war, it's for wisdom, protection, and light. The king, once doubtful, kneels before his daughter. You've won without destruction. You are stronger than I ever was. Solara smiles, knowing her fire is not for destruction, but for guiding others.